Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Halfway Tree and we're going to look at some of the top plazas in Halfway Tree. Now coming up now is Twin Gates, so we're going to take a tour through Twin Gates. And as you can see, oh shoot, we just missed the turn to Twin Gates. Can't really reverse on the main road. So we're going to tour the next plaza that we pass. Now on the right is the Passport and Immigration Office called PICO. And that's where you go to get your Jamaican passport, etc. And then now on the right, this used to be a craft market, but it looks like it still is a craft market. I can't imagine why you would have a craft market here at this location, but yeah, it still operates as a craft market. Wow, that market has been there for years, so I guess they're doing well for them still to be there. Alright, on the right now is the Springs, and this is it's a popular plaza in Jamaica. Now the plazas in this area, as you know, if you watch the channel, there is a simple formula for a successful plaza. You need to build it in a populated area, you need food stores, and you need a supermarket. So there on the right you can see is KFC, largest food chain in Jamaica, the most successful fast food restaurant in Jamaica. And the Springs is in Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So they have 2 out of the 3. There is no supermarket here, but because, and the only exception to the rule that we stated, the 3 things, is these plazas here. They're so close. Well, they're in Halfway Tree, and Halfway Tree is so busy that these plazas do well, even though they don't have a supermarket. Now, if they had a supermarket, they would do even better, because the ones with the supermarket do extremely well. But these do, I guess you could say, okay. It's a very popular plaza, but the ones with the supermarket, the food store, and in the Halfway Tree area do extremely well. So, all right, we're going to take a look at some of the stores in the plaza now. We're going to slow down. On the left is a Maxi department store. It's a huge store. Wow, they take up the whole block. They have locations all over Jamaica, but this might be one of the largest I've seen. This location. No, they have a very large one in Maypen as well. Alright, there's a Payless shoe store. There is Brian's bookstore, and Brian's has been there for years. There's a nice view of the KFC. And anywhere you see a KFC, you know the place is busy. Okay, there is a cosmetic store, shoe gallery, and then there's another bookstore, which is Sangster's bookstore. Wow, Maxi has the entire block on the left. That entire structure is Maxi. Wow, that's a huge store. I think they sell clothes and shoes, those kind of things. Oh, there's another bookstore down here, Kingston Bookshop. Wow, so you have 3 bookstores in one plaza. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I just never noticed. You have Kingston Bookshop, you have Brian's bookstore, and then you have Sangster's bookstore. You can imagine when it's back to school time how busy this plaza is. And I'm assuming you can get a uniform over at Maxi. Alright, so this is the Springs Plaza. It's been around for a very long time, years, decades. Alright, so we're going to head back out onto Constant Spring Road now. Not sure what this car is doing, but when it comes on to drivers in Jamaica, I mean, I don't think there's anything that will surprise anybody. Wait, we can't exit here, we can exit here. Can we do not enter tire shredder? Okay, that means you can't turn left there. Just have to make sure when you see those signs. Okay, so straight ahead now is Constant Spring Road. Oh, there are more stores up here too. You have I think there's a Mother's in this plaza. There's a Mother's store restaurant over here too. Alright, so straight ahead now, that is to the left. I will turn the camera. Over there, that plaza is Tropical Plaza, and then to the right is Premier Plaza. And that's Constant Spring Road, the road straight ahead. So this is the heart of Halfway Tree now, where you see the Halfway Tree Transport Center. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Also, leave your comments in the section below. If you have any information you want to add up that to the video, we'll use it in upcoming videos, and a lot of subscribers have given us information that we've used, so feel free to leave your comments. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.